Namaskar, friends. A common fallacy most people are falling into, that is to follow a herd instinct. Herd means a group, a community, uh, a set of people. Instinct means you are following this group, this community without any thinking, just like that you follow. My guru used to say, why do you go to a school? Because everyone goes to a school. Why do you go to university? Because everyone goes to university. Why do you go to a job? Why do you get married? Why do you have children? Everyone does it. We are trying to confirm ourselves with a group of people so that we tend to make ourselves believe that we belong to them. There is a sense of togetherness with them. You should have a sense of togetherness, but not be a victim of the herd. Think originally. You would have a certain interest. What sort of education you have to pursue? What sort of a job you have to take? What sort of a partner? It is not the conditions, but what you have to think from your side, from within, and then as a result, that original thinking helps you to deal with yourself in a better way. Therefore, you don't fall a victim to the herd mentality. If you become original in your thinking, meaning you're using your intellect, you question, you reason, you don't take anything for granted. As a result, you will unearth your talents. You will understand yourself in a better way. And as a result, you will take guidance from the herd. You will take inputs from a large section of people, but you would follow your truth. The way Shakespeare puts it, to thine own self be true, and it must follow his night the day, thou canst not then be false to any man. To thine own self be true. You'll be true to yourself. You will take all the inputs, but you are following your conviction and conscience. You are not a victim of the herd mentality. You're not doing something because everyone does it. You're doing it because it feels right for you. You think that is the path you have to pursue. Once you are convinced with it, you'll give in all your effort. It will be a fulfilling process of life. And you will be thankful to yourself that you are being truthful to yourself. So, a simple but a profound suggestion, it does wonders to your life, friends. Let's pursue that. Let's not become a victim of the herd. Thank you.